Hey there! At UMW, when we make a laser machine, we're not just thinking about specs on paper, we're thinking about your real workshop. Like recently, a few friends asked us something really good. Does a 20W laser marking machine actually mark differently in its two modes? Can you show us? Yeah, we can!
Alright, enough talk. Let's get to the good stuff.
This 20W laser marking machine can be used for both desktop and handheld operation, meeting the needs of both small items and large projects. Let's show you the desktop mode first. For this part, I've gathered up all the items I want to mark entirely a DIY project I enjoy. Desktop mode emphasizes control, precise positioning, and clear results, making it perfect for daily production and personalized customization. Yes! All done looks good. Let me show you what we got. But honestly, not all work can be easily done on your workbench. Alright, it's time to move to mobile work. Now, let's demonstrate handheld mode. Do you know the beauty of handheld marking? The laser moves to the workpiece, not the other way around. Precise, on-site marking right where you need it. With handheld mode, you're no longer confined to a workbench. Your workspace instantly expands. Different tasks. Same precision. One compact machine. At UMW, we believe a great machine shouldn't limit how you work. It should adapt to it. That's why our 20W laser marking machine gives you both a desktop workstation and a handheld tool, designed not just for the lab, but for the real world.